not a bad angle, I don't think. Hey y'all, hey, hope all is well with you. So today we are doing something a little different. That I hadn't done in a while. So anyway, so if you don't know who I am, I'm Leslie of LesAnn Creations. I create and design clothes, whether for the thick and curvy chick that I especially love doing stuff for, or for anybody who wants something new made. Anyway, so I have been working to clean my room, and well, not necessarily clean my room. I've been trying to get some stuff out of my room. I've been sewing. This last few days, it's probably been really good for me because I really was not in this room a whole lot. But I'm trying to get things together so that I can really be more productive for what's to come for this year and beyond. Anyway, so hold on. I'll probably drink throughout. Why? Because I talk a lot. Anyway, so there's stuff all over my table right now because I was cleaning and packing stuff up. Packing my closet up of some inventory that I have that I don't want to take up so much space. At first, I thought I was just going to put them in some bins and hang them up in my closet, and they take up too much space. So we, of course, did some other things to get them out of that space for me. But now I got a boatload of hangers everywhere. So, anyway, moving right along. So, I placed an order. I probably should not have done it. But it is what it is. I don't think I bought as much as I usually buy. Normally, I probably buy at the minimum, unless it's something I'm not for sure about. I may buy roughly, I don't usually buy less than 3 yards. Hardly ever. But I usually buy as much as 10 yards up to 15, especially when I was doing a lot of the ready-to-wear garments to put in my store, my online store. I do have a website that you can still purchase things from, and that's probably where I'll put some of these extra things when I make certain things. That's probably where it's going to end up at. But today is the fabric. So let's talk about it. It's somebody. Ooh, I got more than I thought. I didn't remember. I should have known what I bought. I don't ever remember. Anyway, this is probably one of the places that I purchased a lot of my materials that I have purchased over the years. I'm probably not going to tell you where it's from. So if you're a sewer or a regular, you probably already know where this company. I'll tell you about my other companies, but this one I won't. I am I'm partial to them, and when I want something, I want to be able to get to them. I'm sorry. And I shop enough. Maybe at one point I may change my mind. Who knows? I don't know. I may not. I don't know. Anyway, so like I said, I don't even remember what I actually all got until and opening the bag. I was like, I got that. I don't remember getting that. Oh well. Especially this one on top. This one is it's called Heather horizontal striped sweater. So it's a lightweight sweater knit. It is a gray and blue tone. It says gentle wash. This is probably one of the fabrics I would use to make my Bella. And I'll show you that because I do have one right there. My Bella sweater. And then there's one that I call, and that's probably the design I'm gonna do. It's probably not Bella. I'll probably do my Light Lovely. I think it's called Light Lively sweater or something like that. I can't remember. It's a real comfy, easy kind of sweater. Just a pull-on sweater, nice sleeves with a cuff. Real simple, but it works. And this, oh yeah, I don't know. I may make a cow neck. I don't know. I don't know. It's really like, oh God, it feels so good. All right, can you see? So it's a blue and a gray striped. It's, I think it's a four-way stretch. It's a four-way stretch. Stretches more one way than the other. I got 5 yards of it. Like I said, I didn't remember what I got. Oh, this is so pretty. I don't know. I would even make pajamas out of this. I really would. So stay tuned as to what I do with this. I may do something with something else first before I use this one. I don't know. I don't know. So that's that one. Okay. This is a, I don't know. This may match that other material. This is an ITY knit, and this is the knit you tend to see in a lot of your easygoing. I wish I had something here. I think I got, in fact, my hooded, my dream dress, it's called Dream Dress. It's made out of the same material. It's the color. That's the reason why if you see my face go, I don't know about the color. But maybe it'll work because I think I got it because of the other fabric I'm getting ready to show you in a second. But it's more of a marigold kind of yellow. Ooh, this weight of it is really nice though. I don't know. This may be really cute for the spring summertime. Shoot, I'll make me a nice little maxi skirt out of this, and still be enough to make a top. I usually do. I like crop tops. I'm not gonna lie, I really do. I'm with the crop top. I'm completely covered. Usually, it's only probably about that much showing, maybe only about 2 inches at the most. And that's because that's the way I like it. I like it enough to show off without being too showy. But I usually make a top. I usually make a top and a bottom. It may be out of the exact same material, or I may pair it with something else. I don't know. But usually I try to do the skirt or the bottom in a solid because I've done it with pants as well, wide leg pants. It's my other thing I like to do, wide leg pants. Anyway, but this is, the color kind of threw me, but after really looking at it and thinking about it, this may look good going on a cruise or something. I don't know. Once I show you this other fabric, you'll see why this will be really cute as a skirt and top set. It really would. I only got 2 yards of this one. It could, I think it could have been that it was the last of it, maybe. I don't remember. Okay, I'm gonna show you that one last. Ooh. Okay, so I got 4 yards of this. It is a brocade. It's a metallic animal. It has it says garnet, bright silver, tan, polyester blend. Ooh. When I seen it, I thought the first thing I thought of is making a suit for myself. I really did. Ooh, it looks even better. I mean, it looks good in person, but it looks even better on camera. Oh my goodness. I got 4 yards. Um, I haven't decided whether or not it's going to be a pair of pants. If I do a pair of pants, I will line them. I will line the skirt anyway. But I want enough to be able, and it's flowy kind of. I want to be, um, it gives me some options to determine what I want to do. Even looks nice on this side. This is the wrong side. Even the wrong, oh gosh, I don't know. Oh, that makes it harder. Now this is a lightweight brocade, so that's the right side. This is the wrong side. So if you want a more of a silver look, I would use the wrong side. If you want more of the browner tone to show, I would use the right side. Both sides are nice. I like both. I like both ways. I don't know. I may even use. I'm thinking it's gonna end up being the wrong side. Even with the. I don't know. That is so hard to decide. You just got to be selective. Now, the one thing I will say, the other side is more likely to get snagged. That's the downfall. So I may not do that because I don't think I want to ruin my nice suit that I take time to make. But it will be lined, regardless of anything. I only got 4 yards because I wasn't for sure. I wasn't stuck, and I wasn't for sure. I didn't want to go get too much and then have a whole lot of excess left over, and then I didn't want to not get enough and be upset. So I know that depending on what jacket I do, whether I do like a trench like look and do a pants or a skirt, I need to make sure I have enough. Like if I do a trench, I will need 3 yards. I can get away with a yard and a half, just under a yard and a half to make a skirt. Because my skirts, usually I do about measuring from my waistline down to the hem. I usually do them at um 26 inches. Measures usually length 26 inches. And hip wise, it's wide enough. It is 58 inches. I should be fine. So yeah, it gives me 3 yards to decide on what I want to do for the top, or even if I just want to make it like a top. I don't know. Who knows? But this is gorgeous. No, I didn't need no fabric out. I know it, but I got it anyway. Now this is the one that made me say I'm gonna purchase fabric regardless if I need any or not. I'm gonna admit it. I'm gonna admit it. I'm gonna admit it. I'm gonna admit it. This is a chiffon. And this one just made me just smile. Like, oh, just made me smile. Look, look. Yeah, I got too much of this one. This one, oh, it pictured just as well. Like online, sometimes you purchase fabric, you question whether or not you should buy it, and you be like, it may not go that well. But this color, the colors are like it. They took a good picture of this one. Oh my god, it is a chiffon black base with more of a tie-dye feel, and this is why I said that it is multiple things I can do with it, because this color, it's a yellower tone in here, and this would go depending on what I want to do. Let me see, find a spot I can, because I would do like I have a chiffon duster I've done, which I love wearing or love doing. Oh, it would look so pretty with that. Look at that. But there's several colors in here. There's even a blue in here. There's green. Let me pull it close to you. Look at them colors. Oh Lord. Oh my gosh. So there's white in there. So if I want to do an all white outfit to go underneath. So I got 10 yards of this. Of course, I'm not going to do a whole outfit for me with 10 yards. But, somebody may see something in my little storefront because it can't stay in my house forever. But it's so cute. You can wear the black. Black is okay. I'll probably pick one of the colors in here. There's a purple. The purple tones are just, look at that. Look at that. So, anyway, let me get on off here. This is what I purchased. It'll be a minute before y'all see anything out of it because I'm going to go ahead and do some other things. Let me show you the Bella top real quick. Look at that. So this is the top that I call Bella. Now, I've done different forms of Bella. There's a Bella twist, and that's the one that has a cow neck. It's a Bella twist. But this is Bella. So she's a crisscross, flappy kind of thing. Now, I know you may see, I have worn a top recently, and I kind of did a slide remark about it. Somebody let me have it, but I didn't like the way it was shaped. So mine may look like a tent, but it actually, this one's for a 3X, I believe. It's a 3X. But it is made, it doesn't tint straight out. It actually curves in a little bit so that instead of it being tinted right here, it actually comes into your shape a little bit, removing the excess. You know how a lot of shirts, t-shirts and stuff you wear don't have that. They're not shaped, curved at all. They're straight up and down. Women are not straight up and down. That's why I don't like my clothes most of the time straight up and down. But that's my 2 cents, and that's what I'm going to stick to. Anyway, so I'm going to go on and get off here. Y'all have an amazing day. Please, if you haven't already, like and subscribe to my channel. See you all later. Deuces.